Inflammation rarely announces itself loudly or dramatically. For most people, it creeps in quietly and settles into daily life. It may show up as stiff joints when you wake up, a constant sense of tiredness even after a full night's sleep, unexplained bloating after meals, or a heavy, puffy feeling in the body that never fully goes away. Over time, these signs become so familiar that many people begin to accept them as normal parts of aging or a busy lifestyle. That is exactly where my experience began. I was not looking for a miracle cure or a dramatic transformation. I simply wanted to feel a little lighter and more comfortable in my own body. I certainly did not expect that something as ordinary as a simple food habit could make any noticeable difference. Yet after a short period, I caught myself thinking, I didn't expect my body to respond as quickly to something so ordinary. That quiet sense of surprise is what pushed me to pay closer attention and try to understand what was actually happening inside my body. Why inflammation is so common today. Inflammation itself is not the enemy. It is a vital part of the body's defense and repair system, designed to protect us from injury, infection, and harmful substances. In healthy circumstances, inflammation turns on when needed and then switches off once healing has occurred. The real problem begins when this system remains activated for long periods without proper recovery. Instead of acting as a temporary response, inflammation becomes a constant background process that quietly drains the body's resources. Modern lifestyle patterns play a major role in keeping inflammation switched on. Diets high in refined sugar and heavily processed foods repeatedly spike blood sugar and insulin levels, which promotes inflammatory signaling throughout the body. At the same time, chronic mental and emotional stress triggers the continuous release of stress hormones such as cortisol. While helpful in short bursts, prolonged cortisol exposure disrupts immune balance and encourages inflammatory activity. Irregular sleep further compounds the problem, as the body performs much of its cellular repair and immune regulation during deep sleep. When sleep is shortened or fragmented, inflammation has fewer opportunities to settle. Poor digestion adds another layer to this cycle. When the gut struggles to properly break down and absorb food, it places constant strain on the immune system. An imbalanced gut microbiome allows inflammatory compounds to enter circulation more easily, keeping immune defenses in a state of alert. Over time, this creates a persistent low-grade inflammatory state that does not always cause sharp or obvious pain, making it easy to overlook. Instead, the effects appear gradually in daily life. Joints may feel stiffer than expected for one's age, energy levels drop earlier in the day, digestion feels heavy or sluggish, and swelling or puffiness becomes increasingly familiar. Mental clarity may also suffer, as inflammation affects not only the body but the brain as well. Scientific research increasingly links this chronic inflammation to oxidative stress, a condition in which free radicals outnumber the body's protective antioxidants. Oxidative stress damages cells and further fuels inflammatory pathways, creating a self-perpetuating cycle. When the gut is under continuous strain and oxidative stress remains high, the immune system stays partially activated at all times. This constant state of readiness quietly interferes with the body's ability to repair tissues, regulate energy, and restore balance. Rather than fully healing, the body is forced to manage ongoing internal stress, which explains why inflammation has become so widespread and deeply embedded in modern health concerns. The simple food I tried. The food itself could not be more basic: soaked black raisins. They are not exotic, expensive, or trendy. In fact, they have been part of traditional diets for generations, especially in cultures that valued simple, natural ways to support digestion and overall health. Black raisins are easy to find, affordable, and familiar to most households. Because of this familiarity, they are often overlooked in favor of newer supplements or superfoods. What drew my attention was not the raisin alone, but the traditional practice of soaking it before eating. This small, almost forgotten preparation step changes how the body interacts with the fruit. It transforms something ordinary into something far more supportive for digestion and internal balance. Why soaking makes black raisins more powerful. Soaking black raisins in water overnight does more than just soften them. It gently breaks down their tough outer structure, making the fiber easier for the digestive system to handle. This process improves the absorption of key minerals and activates antioxidant compounds that are naturally present in the fruit. From a biological point of view, soaking reduces the workload placed on the stomach and intestines. When digestion becomes easier, the body experiences less internal stress. This matters because digestive stress is a major contributor to inflammation. With improved nutrient absorption and smoother digestion, the body can focus more on repair and regulation rather than constant defense. Over time, this reduction in internal strain plays an important role in calming inflammation and supporting overall well-being. The key benefits of soaked black raisins. One of the most meaningful benefits of soaked black raisins is their ability to support the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes in a gentle and sustainable way. They are rich in polyphenol, which are plant-based antioxidants known to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and keep inflammatory pathways active. By lowering oxidative stress, soaked black raisins help calm the internal environment, making it easier for the body to restore balance rather than remain in a constant state of low-grade inflammation. Another important benefit is their support for joint comfort and mobility. Chronic inflammation often manifests as stiffness, particularly in the morning or after long periods of inactivity. By reducing inflammatory signaling and improving circulation, soaked black raisins may help ease this stiffness over time. Their natural compounds work gradually, which is why many people notice a smoother, more comfortable start to the day rather than an immediate or dramatic effect. Soaked black raisins also play a supportive role in digestion and gut health. Their softened fiber gently stimulates bowel movement and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthier gut microbiome is closely linked to lower inflammation throughout the body, as the gut is deeply connected to immune function. When digestion becomes more efficient and less strained, bloating, heaviness, and discomfort often begin to subside. Traditionally, black raisins have been associated with liver support. While they should not be viewed as a detox solution, their antioxidant content supports the liver's natural ability to filter waste and manage metabolic byproducts. In addition, black raisins contain iron, which supports red blood cell production and improves oxygen delivery to tissues. This can help reduce feelings of fatigue and weakness that often accompany chronic inflammation. Potassium further contributes by helping regulate fluid balance and supporting healthy blood pressure, easing strain on the cardiovascular system. Together, these nutrients strengthen immune resilience by protecting cells and supporting the body's natural repair mechanisms. What I personally noticed. Within 5 to 7 days, the changes felt noticeable yet realistic, which made them easier to trust. Digestive discomfort began to ease, and bloating reduced without any drastic dietary changes. Morning stiffness felt lighter, and my body no longer carried the same heavy sensation throughout the day. Energy levels in the morning became steadier, without the sluggishness that often follows waking up. What stood out most was not one dramatic improvement, but the overall sense of internal balance. These small but consistent changes suggested that the body was responding positively rather than being forced into a short-term reaction. The science behind the experience. From a nutritional science perspective, black raisins offer a unique combination of antioxidants, natural sugars balanced with fiber, and essential micronutrients. Polyphenol play a central role by reducing oxidative stress and supporting anti-inflammatory pathways. At the same time, the fiber content nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, strengthening the connection between gut health and inflammation control. Scientific research increasingly supports the idea that when gut health improves, inflammatory signals throughout the body decrease. This interconnected response explains why improvements in digestion, energy, and joint comfort often occur together rather than in isolation. How to use soaked black raisins correctly. Take 6 to 8 black raisins and rinse them thoroughly to remove surface residue. Place them in a clean glass and add enough drinking water to fully cover them. Leave them to soak overnight for at least 8 hours, allowing the raisins to soften and release their nutrients. In the morning, eat the soaked raisins on an empty stomach before breakfast. Drink the remaining soaking water afterward to absorb the dissolved nutrients. This method works best when practiced consistently. Increasing the quantity does not speed up results and may place unnecessary strain on digestion. Who can benefit the most? This habit may be especially supportive for individuals who regularly experience joint discomfort, digestive sluggishness, fluctuating energy levels, or signs of mild but persistent inflammation. These issues often do not appear in isolation. Instead, they are connected through shared pathways involving gut health, circulation, and immune response. When digestion is under strain, inflammatory signals tend to increase, and energy levels often decline as a result. By gently supporting digestion and nutrient absorption, soaked black raisins may help ease this interconnected pattern over time. Adults over the age of 35 often notice greater benefits from small dietary changes like this because the body's natural repair and recovery processes gradually slow with age. Low-grade inflammation becomes more common, even in people who otherwise feel healthy. At this stage of life, the body tends to respond better to consistent, supportive habits rather than aggressive or extreme interventions. A simple routine practiced daily can quietly improve comfort, mobility, and overall vitality. Soaked black raisins may also be especially appealing to people who prefer a food-based, traditional approach to wellness rather than relying heavily on supplements or complex protocols. Because this habit is inexpensive, familiar, and easy to maintain, it fits naturally into daily life without adding pressure or stress. It can be particularly helpful for those who feel overwhelmed by constantly changing health trends and conflicting advice, and who are looking instead for a gentle, sustainable way to support their body over the long term. Who should be careful? Although soaked black raisins are generally safe for most people, certain individuals should approach this habit with awareness and moderation. People with diabetes or blood sugar sensitivity should be mindful of portion size, as raisins contain natural sugars that can influence glucose levels. Observing how the body responds and adjusting intake accordingly is important. Individuals with digestive conditions, metabolic disorders, or those taking regular medications should consult a healthcare professional before making this a daily habit. This step helps ensure that the practice supports existing treatment rather than interfering with it. It is also important to remember that soaked black raisins are a supportive dietary habit, not a medical treatment. They can assist the body's natural processes, but they should never be viewed as a replacement for professional medical care, prescribed medication, or individualized health advice. The real truth about results. Setting realistic expectations is essential. Soaked black raisins are not a miracle solution, and they do not produce instant or dramatic changes. Their effects are subtle and gradual, building over time with consistency. The most noticeable benefits tend to appear when this habit is combined with other supportive choices, such as reducing excess sugar, staying well hydrated, getting adequate sleep, and eating mindfully. Inflammation usually develops slowly, and it often recedes in the same quiet way. True healing rarely arrives suddenly. More often, it unfolds through small daily actions that reduce internal stress and allow the body to return to balance at its own pace. These changes may be easy to overlook at first, but over weeks, they can significantly improve how the body feels and functions. Sometimes healing does not come from adding more supplements, pills, or complicated routines. In fact, excessive complexity can place additional strain on both the body and the mind. Meaningful progress often comes from returning to simple, time-tested habits and practicing them with patience and consistency. When we slow down, listen carefully to what the body needs, and respond gently rather than urgently, we create space for natural healing processes to do their work. Small, thoughtful actions repeated every day can lead to lasting and meaningful change. Would you be willing to try soaked black raisins for 7 days and simply observe how your body responds, without expectations or pressure? If you'd like more simple, science-backed health insights like this, comment Raisins.